Welcome to Better English Pronunciation.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English fluently.
Do you speak English?
No, I'm still learning.
Can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
Can you help me?
Sorry, I'm a bit busy right now.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
How are you?
Not too well, thanks for asking.
Where are you from?
I'm from France.
Where are you from?
I come from the UK.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What do you do?
I work in a bank.
Are you married?
Yes, I'm married.
Are you married?
No, but looking for someone nice.
Do you have a boyfriend?
I have a boyfriend.
Do you have a boyfriend?
I'm not dating anyone.
How many children do you have?
Yes, I have 2 children.
How many children do you have?
No, I don't have children.
Can I sit here?
Sure, go ahead.
Can I sit here?
This spot is actually taken, sorry.
Can I use your phone?
Sure, here you go.
Can I use your phone?
Sorry, my phone is almost dead.
How much does your phone cost?
My phone costs $900.
How much does your phone cost?
It's an older model, didn't cost much.
Are you American?
Yes, I am American.
Are you American?
No, I am not American.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Do you understand?
Could you repeat that please?
Would you like some coffee?
Yes, please black no sugar.
Would you like some coffee?
No thanks.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 3 siblings.
How many siblings do you have?
It's just me, no siblings.
What's your phone number?
My phone number is 433,455.
What's your phone number?
I'm sorry, but I don't give out my number.
What time is it now?
It's 11 a.m.
What time is it now?
Nearly noon, time flies.
What day is today?
Today is Monday.
What day is today?
Actually, it's Tuesday today.
Do you like it here?
I love it here.
Do you like it here?
It's nice, but I miss my hometown.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
What's your favorite color?
I don't really have a favorite.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like to travel?
No, traveling isn't really my thing.
What music do you like?
I like rock music.
What music do you like?
I prefer classical music.
What did you do last weekend?
I visited my grandparents.
What did you do last weekend?
I just stayed home and relaxed.
Would you like to go out for dinner tonight?
Yes, that would be lovely.
Would you like to go out for dinner tonight?
No, maybe another time.
Would you like to go for a walk?
Yes, that sounds nice.
Would you like to go for a walk?
I'm a bit tired today, maybe next time.
Can I bring a friend?
Yes, of course.
Can I bring a friend?
It might be best if it's just us this time.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Forrest Gump.
What's your favorite movie?
I don't really have one favorite.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking new dishes.
Do you like cooking?
No, I prefer eating out.
Can you take a picture of us?
Sure, smile.
Can you take a picture of us?
My camera just died, sorry.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
What languages do you speak?
Just English, but I'm learning French.
What's your biggest fear?
I'm really afraid of snakes.
What's your biggest fear?
Heights terrify me.
What did you study in college?
I studied computer science.
What did you study in college?
I majored in English literature.
How long have you been working here?
I've been working here for 3 months.
How long have you been working here?
Just started last week.
What's your dream job?
My dream job is to be a pilot.
What's your dream job?
I'd love to be a writer.
Do you like to go shopping?
Yes, it's one of my favorite activities.
Do you like to go shopping?
No, I don't like it much.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the piano.
Do you play any instruments?
No, but I've always wanted to learn the guitar.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love Christmas.
What's your favorite holiday?
Halloween is my favorite.
How was your day?
My day was good, thank you.
How was your day?
It was busy, but I got everything done.
Do you smoke?
Yes, but I'm trying to quit.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't like smoking.
Do you hear me?
Yes, I hear you clearly.
Do you hear me?
Sorry, repeat again.
Do you know Emily?
Yes, she is my friend.
Do you know Emily?
I don't think I know anyone by that name.
How do you feel?
I feel good, thank you.
How do you feel?
I'm a bit tired but otherwise fine.
Can you play guitar?
Yes, I've been playing for a few years now.
Can you play guitar?
No, I can't play guitar.
Can you dance salsa?
Yes, I love dancing salsa.
Can you dance salsa?
No, I can't dance salsa.
What color is your car?
My car is blue.
What color is your car?
Actually, I don't own a car.
What did you eat?
I ate pasta for dinner.
What did you eat?
I had a salad for lunch.
Are you on Facebook?
Yes, I am on Facebook.
Are you on Facebook?
No, I prefer not to use social media.
Why do you study English?
I study English to improve my skills.
Why do you study English?
I need it for my job.
Is this your book?
Yes, this is my book.
Is this your book?
No, it's a library book.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV.
Do you watch TV?
Not much, I prefer reading.
Are you going home?
Yes, I am going home.
Are you going home?
No, I have another appointment.
Do you know her?
Yes, I know her.
Do you know her?
No, she looks familiar, but I don't really know her.
What is her profession?
Her profession is a doctor.
What is her profession?
She's a teacher.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is photography.
What is your hobby?
I love painting in my free time.
Why are you smiling?
I am smiling because I'm happy.
Why are you smiling?
I just heard a funny joke.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 12 p.m.
What time do you sleep?
I usually go to bed around 11 p.m.
How is the weather?
The weather is sunny.
How is the weather?
It's quite windy today.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, this is my first time here.
Is this your first time here?
No, I've visited a few times already.
Are you hungry now?
Yes, I am a little hungry.
Are you hungry now?
No, I had lunch recently.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking.
Do you like cooking?
No, I usually prefer to order in.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
How often do you exercise?
I'm not very consistent with my exercise routine.
Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
Do you have pets?
No, I don't have any pets currently.
Do you have a family?
Yes, I have a small family.
Do you have a family?
Yes, it's just me and my partner.
What does your father do?
My father is a banker.
What does your father do?
He works as an engineer.
Do you want money?
Yes, I want money for shopping.
Do you want money?
No, I have enough for now, thanks.
What do you want to drink?
I want to drink wine.
What do you want to drink?
I'd prefer a cup of tea, please.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually sleep quite late, around 1 a.m.
Are you busy?
Yes, I'm quite busy today.
Are you busy?
No, I'm not busy.
How do you travel to work?
I take the bus.
How do you travel to work?
I work from home, so no travel is needed.
What do you do for fun?
I like reading books.
What do you do for fun?
I don't really have time for fun.
Are you married?
Yes, I'm happily married.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married.
Have you been to London?
Yes, I've been several times.
Have you been to London?
No, I haven't been there yet.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
What's your favorite food?
I'm not a big fan of any particular food.
Where is the nearest supermarket?
It's just around the corner.
Where is the nearest supermarket?
I'm not sure, I'm new here.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Can you swim?
No, but I want to learn.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to the beach.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I haven't been on vacation in years.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages.
How many languages do you speak?
Just one, unfortunately.
What's your favorite sport?
I enjoy playing tennis.
What's your favorite sport?
I'm not really into sports.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
I'm going to visit my friends.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
No plans yet, still decided.
What's your favorite type of music?
I enjoy listening to pop music.
What's your favorite type of music?
I'm not particular about music.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Yes, I watch TV in the evening.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
No, I don't watch TV in the evening.
Did you have breakfast today?
Yes, I had breakfast.
Did you have breakfast today?
No, I didn't have breakfast.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, I've been to a few.
Have you ever been to a concert?
No, concerts aren't for me.
What's your favorite type of coffee?
I like black coffee.
What's your favorite type of coffee?
I don't drink coffee.
Can you draw?
Yes, I can draw a little.
Can you draw?
No, I'm not very good at drawing.
Do you have a favorite app?
Yes, it's a language learning app.
Do you have a favorite app?
No, I don't really use apps much.
Can you ski?
Yes, I love skiing.
Can you ski?
No, I can't ski.
What's your favorite type of car?
I like sports cars.
What's your favorite type of car?
I'm not interested in cars.
What's your favorite type of fish?
I like salmon.
What's your favorite type of fish?
I don't eat fish.
Did you exercise today?
Yes, I exercised today.
Did you exercise today?
No, I didn't exercise today.
Can you do a handstand?
Yes, I can do a handstand quite well.
Can you do a handstand?
No, I can't do a handstand.
Do you have a brother?
Yes, I have a brother.
Do you have a brother?
No, I don't have a brother.
Have you ever been camping?
Yes, I go camping often.
Have you ever been camping?
No, I've never been camping.
Do you use public transportation?
Yes, I often use public transportation.
Do you use public transportation?
No, I usually drive my own car.
Do you have a smartphone?
Yes, I use a smartphone every day.
Do you have a smartphone?
No, I still use a basic mobile phone.
Are you a vegetarian?
Yes, I am a vegetarian.
Are you a vegetarian?
No, I eat all types of food.
Is your birthday in February?
Yes, my birthday is in February.
Is your birthday in February?
No, my birthday is in June.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept very well.
Did you sleep well last night?
No, I didn't sleep very well.
Do you live in a big city?
Yes, I live in a big city.
Do you live in a big city?
No, I live in a small town.
Are your parents at home?
Yes, they just got back.
Are your parents at home?
No, they're out.
Where are my keys?
Right here in your bag.
Where are my keys?
I didn't know they were on the table.
Are you coming with me?
Yes, I'd love to join.
Are you coming with me?
No, I don't think so. I'm staying here.
Where's Liam?
He's out with friends.
Where's Liam?
At work.
Are you going out tonight?
Yes, I'm meeting some friends.
Are you going out tonight?
Probably not. I have work to do.
Did you wake up early today?
Yes, I woke up early.
Did you wake up early today?
No, I didn't wake up early.
How about some lunch?
Yeah, sure, I am hungry.
How about some lunch?
I'm not hungry right now, thanks.
Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe. Better English pronunciation.